So here we have Jim Bob, and Jim Bob's pouring water onto a canal at the rate of f of t equals 3 to the power of e to the negative t. So we want to know how much water he poured onto the canal from t equals 1 to t equals 4. So this question is going to be, of course, quite straightforward, because all we need to do is figure out the integral, or evaluate the integral from 1 to 4. Because since we're given the rate, the integral of the rate will give us the total amount of water poured onto the canal. So we got 3e to the negative t dt. And that's going to be equivalent to 3 times the integral from 1 to 4 of e to the power of negative t. Because I can just whisk out the constant, right? So after all, it's just multiplying the function. So we have 3 times, now the integral of e to the negative t is just going to be negative e to the power of negative t. Is that okay? Because essentially we know that the integral, or rather, sorry, the derivative of this would be just e to the power of negative t times negative 1 because of the chain rule, right? So it follows that the reverse is also true. So if I take the integral of this, I'm going to get that. Okay, so 3 times negative e to the power of negative t, and we want that from 1 to 4. Of course, we're going to be allowed to use our calculators with this problem. Nobody is going to be expected to evaluate these things with the power of their mind on the exam. So we can go negative e to the power of negative 4 minus negative e to the power of negative 1. And that should give us 1.0487 if you plug the whole thing in, of course. And that's it.